Hello, good morning. I'm sure you all are good and safe with your family. Myself, Ankita Majithia, I'm back with my new concept in numeracy. Today, I'm going to teach you pre-number concept, wide and narrow. Let's start. Let me explain wide and narrow. Look at the picture. Wide means broad. Narrow means limited in size and scope. For example, this road is wide and this road is narrow. This road is narrow compared to this road. What is this? Can you guess? Yes, door. This door is wide. This door is narrow. This lamp is wide. This lamp is narrow. This one is wide. This one is narrow. This hat is wide. This hat is narrow. This one is wide. This one is narrow. This brush is wide. This brush is narrow. This one is wide. This one is narrow. This fishbowl is wide. This fishbowl is narrow. This one is wide. This one is narrow. Which door is narrow? This door is narrow. This door is wide. Which road is narrow? This road is narrow. And this road is wide. Which river is narrow? This river is narrow. This river is wide. Which street is narrow? This street is narrow. And this street is wide. We will do an exercise. In the empty boxes, put a tick for the narrow object and put a cross for the wide object. Now first object is wide, so we have put a cross, and second one is narrow, so we have put a tick. In the empty boxes, put a tick for the narrow object and put a cross for the wide object. Now first object is narrow, so we have put a tick, and second object is wide, so we have put a cross. This is your worksheet. Tick the wide object and cross the narrow object. You have to recognize which one is wide and which one is narrow. I am sending a worksheet for practice. I am sure you have understood the concept of wide and narrow. Bye bye children.